What's hot in the Kitsilano single family market for June 2018? The Vancouver Westside single family market is definitely favoring buyers right now. That's right, we're in a buyer's market in the Westside single family market in general. But Kitsilano is an exception to that rule. Kitsilano is actually favoring sellers right now. That's the only neighborhood when you look at the entire Westside detached market where we're actually favoring sellers. 12 homes sold in Kitsilano last month. The least expensive home sold for $1,950,000, which is unusual to find a home selling for under $2 million in the West Side. That would have bought you a renovated 91-year-old home right at 10th Avenue and MacDonald. The most expensive home sold for $8.1 million. That's right, we have homes selling for over $8 million still in the West Side. So whoever tells you the market is dead, that's just simply not the case. There is some activity even in the high end, over $8 million. That home was a small home, small lot, right on Point Grey Road though, to make it the Miracle Mile, some people refer to that as. 45 homes were available and on the market in Kitsilano last month, so to have 12 of them sell puts us in a seller's market. That's about 27% of the homes that sold last month. And remember that the real estate board defines a seller's market whenever you have more than 21% of the homes that sell in a given month. Sold values in Kitsilano are a little bit lower than what we're seeing in the rest of the Vancouver West Side. Around $2.6 million is your median price for a detached home in Kitsilano right now, whereas the rest of the Vancouver West Side, the median price is hovering right around $3.2 million. The West Side median prices have kind of been fluctuating between $2.9 and $3.2 million over the last few months, but we're definitely down as a whole. When you look at the West Side in general, we're about $500,000 less than where we were maybe 10 months ago for your median detached single family home. If you'd like to take a look at these 12 homes that sold in Kitsilano, I've got them all laid out on an area map with the sold price versus the list price. I've got 10 photographs for each of these homes that sold, and you can download that package of information by clicking on the link above or below, depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. My name is David Setton with Oakwyn Realty and Answers in Real Estate, and I specialize in selling and marketing homes in the Vancouver West Side. And if you'd like to contact me, feel free to do so. You can reach me anytime on my cell phone at 604-808-9796. And as always, thank you so much for listening today.